Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the enhanced survey other option inside ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you're not already a ClickFunnels user, make sure you go to the description section as well to sign up to get your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. And there's also some other really good resources as well. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to go over here to the change log. So this is where the change log is basically how ClickFunnels communicates new features or enhancements to us as the user. So this is the enhanced survey other option. So just reading a little bit about it. So this is to empower survey respondents with customizable options. We've introduced a powerful enhancement to survey questions, allowing users to provide their own text response when selecting other on a multiple choice question. These open text responses can even be added to your predefined options for future survey submissions, offering unparalleled flexibility. So we're going to dive into that after reading the key features and benefits. So we have dynamic open text responses, let respondents type custom answers when other is selected, capturing unique insights, seamless option expansion, optionally add these custom responses to your predefined list for all future surveys, improved data relevance, gather diverse, relevant feedback without compromising your survey structure, and increase engagement and enhance respondent satisfaction by accommodating their unique perspectives. This feature ensures your surveys are more inclusive, adaptive, and insightful than ever before. So that's a little bit about the key benefits and about this enhanced survey other option. And now what we're going to do is we're going to jump into ClickFunnels 2.0 where I'm going to walk you through it. Okay, so this is my ClickFunnels 2.0 account. This is my demo account, so there's not a lot in here, but we're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and then we're going to go over to survey workflows, and we're going to create a new survey workflow. So we're going to click Add New Survey Workflow, and then I'm going to call this Test Other Survey Feature. And then we're going to click Create Survey Workflow. So it's going to take me to this screen. This is what I like to call the survey workflow builder. I'm not sure if that's the actual name of it, but that's what I like to call it because we build surveys in here. So we're going to click on this plus icon right here. For the question type, we're going to leave it as choice. And under the details, so this is where we're going to ask the question. So we're going to say, what do you like about marketing? Or maybe say, what's your favorite part about marketing? I think that's a better question. And then we're going to go down here under configuration. And so we're going to click on this one, enable other choice. So we're going to give them a list of options of what they could choose. And if their favorite thing about marketing is in that predefined list, then they could select other and then type in what they like. So we're going to do that. Another key thing to note as well is this dynamically generate option. So if we have enable other choice disabled, then this is grayed out and we can't use it. But if it's enabled, then this appears. And so if we go to this little information icon, it says when an other option is given, provide that option for all future survey participants. So this is really really good feature. If let's say you have a list of like three to four items and you have that other option, and then there's people that have like they like the other things maybe about the question, but it's not already in this predefined list, this will automatically add it. So this is really cool. So under options, we're going to do sales funnels for this first one, and then we'll say, let's say traffic for this second one, like paid and organic traffic. Maybe we'll do copywriting. And then let's do one more. So let's do maybe content creation. So we're going to save the changes. So we have our 4 options. So what's your favorite part about marketing? And then it's going to give them sales funnels, traffic, copywriting, content creation, and then other as well. So we're going to look at it inside of a funnel. So I'm under my list of funnels. So if you go to funnels, I have this test survey funnel right here. So we're going to click on this. And then we're going to click edit. So the first thing that we want to do is just make sure that that survey is attached to this funnel. And so if we click on here, so this is the survey element. So this is what people are going to see. And so we're going to click on this little gear icon for the settings, and we're going to change the select survey to this test other survey feature. And so we're going to click save. And so when you click preview, so this little eyeball icon, this is going to be our test survey right here. So this has what's your favorite part about marketing? And then we have our options, sales funnels, traffic, copywriting, content creation, and other. If you select other, then they could put it here. So maybe we put like webinars as an example. And so that's the walkthrough of the enhanced other survey feature inside ClickFunnels 2.0. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Love to help you out. And if you have any other ideas in terms of video ideas that you'd like to see, also comment that as well. So my name is Austin Dorman. I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And here to help you out.